You want to go? Then don't come back to this family.
I'm not your slave. I am myself.
I don't regret it. I believe I can do it.
She's wasting her time up there again. 10 years of practice won't change her genes.
Throw away all that dancing crap. From now on, don't you dare say the word dance in this house.
I can do this. I can do this. I'm not what you think I am. I'm not.
Hiding here again?
You think a few years of practice can rewrite your genes? Don't embarrass us! Dance is for rich kids.
No. I can't give up.
I want to take part in this dance competition. Several classmates in my class are going too.
You can't go. In this house, I make the rules. Dance? Give up that dream. Wash the garage floor tonight. I don't want to see a single oil stain by tomorrow.
Wash the garage floor tonight. I don't want to see a single oil stain by tomorrow.
One day, I'm going to leave this place.
This is my daughter. Very responsible. Helps us with housework.
Auntie, I like dancing very much. Let me dance for you.
Young lady, that move you just did. Who taught you?
I learned all these by myself. I really want to find a good teacher, but my mom doesn't let me learn dancing.
This child is very talented. He is born with good balance and body control.
She doesn't dance. just messing around, wasting time and money.
If you agree, bring her to the camp tryouts next week. All expenses covered.
You want to go? Then don't come back to this family.
I'm not your slave. I am myself.
This is a playground. Wake up at 6 a.m. Finish at 11 p.m. Can you handle it?
Okay. Okay. I can keep going. I'll practice hard. I don't regret it. I believe I can do it. Those words aren't knives anymore. They're fuel. Thank you for coming to see today.
This is our daughter. We've always so proud of her.
But I think my family should be the ones who are willing to help me when I'm in the toughest, most desperate moments. Not the ones who only show up the spotlight.
Mom was wrong. I was so wrong. I'm Lily. I was sorry. Welcome home.
They said I couldn't do it. Diet. So I did it. Don't let others define your limits. When they say you can't, that's not your ending. That's their limitation. They say you in hand. That's their limitation. So, do you think I should forgive her? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got a lot more stories to share to you.